Brian, remember the second you go through those doors, everything changes. Our old life is done.
I don't know, it just doesn't feel like home. Maybe it's because you don't realize how much you appreciate something until somebody takes it away. What's up with you? What's going on? Letty's dead.
I need to know for sure.
Then I'm going with you.
You said you were going to leave this life behind.
We both said that we were leaving the life behind.
He's right. We're family. You're stronger together. You always were.